Hey, how are you? My name's Andrés Pimentel. If you're new here, I make documentaries, lifestyle videos, video essays, and more. I'm still figuring out, to be honest. A big part of my content is living here in Peru. I moved here in May. It's been my first time living on my own, coming back to where my dad's from, and going back to a culture that I hadn't been a part of since high school. Back in October, I made a 3 months living in Peru update video. This is my 9-month update. My living situation, first of all, is a lot better. I pay about $120 a month for a well-lit room and a kitchen, and then there's a shared bathroom. I haven't really decorated it the way I'd like to, but it's a great price. The landlady's really kind, and it's in a really great part of town, not too far from downtown, not too far, more like mall shopping area, not too far from my friends. That kind of leads me into my next topic. I think friendship is what really makes any place really great. So if you're thinking about moving somewhere, maybe it means staying in a hostel in a little while and meeting new people, but friendship really makes a difference. Just being part of a group of friends, being a member of a community, photo shoots, we hang out, we go out, we have a good time. Of course with COVID precautions, but still I make time to see them. That really nurtured me. I've realized I'm really an extrovert. Being by myself for a long time really isn't fun. I got COVID at the beginning of the year, and my dad was very kind and brought me chicken soup stuff and zinc and other things to help me. But yeah, really not fun being by myself. And luckily I was vaccinated, and it was only one night of bad sleep and then just a lot of time contemplating my existence. Eating wise, I spend a lot of time going to restaurants, little menu, eat for a few dollars. But recently I've started cooking, and that's been a lot of fun. I learned how to use a pressure pot, started making my own food, which was good. So I've been eating a lot healthier, kind of going back to vegan. Yeah, that's really definitely helped my health. $10, maybe a little less, and you have, a few meals out of that. So yeah, it's really been great having independence, living here by myself. It does get pretty lonely sometimes. Also, it's really hard to motivate to make videos, hence why lately I haven't been making as much, but I'm hoping to change that. A big part of that was because I was using an old hard drive and my editing software kept crashing. So I switched to a new hard drive, and now it's a lot more fun to edit. Oh, and then I also talked about being gay, being queer in Cusco last time. I'd like to update and say that I joined a queer activist group. We've met a few times. We have workshops on sexuality and gender. We'd all get lunch afterwards. They even came to my family's property for a barbecue. The best part has been just making new friends in the queer community, and it feels good when we walk around downtown in a big group. People look at us, but we're together, so it's a lot more fun than walking by yourself getting weird looks all the time. But I definitely miss California, more gay people, more tolerant culture. So yeah, that's just a little update. If you're thinking about moving to Peru, to Cusco, it's a beautiful city. Aren't many gay bars, but there's a lot of beautiful hikes, beautiful mountains. Right now the weather's been crazy. It's the rainy season. Definitely worth always leaving with a raincoat or an umbrella. I'm headed to LA. I'm gonna be there early February through the beginning of April. I really do miss the States. I miss a lot of things about the culture and such, so I can leave as a Peruvian, enter as an American. Thanks much. If you got this far, I really appreciate it. Please consider subscribing, sharing the video, and if you have any comments, I'd love to read them down below, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.